welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to unbox and set up the Apple Watch Series 7. I have the aluminum watch, but it also comes in stainless steel and titanium. There's a bunch of colors to choose from, and I'll put all the color options here. And there's two screen sizes for the Series 7, the 41mm and the 45mm. I got the 41mm, which starts at $399, and I'll put some more pricing information here. Now let's open it. Comes in two boxes, so there's the watch in here, and then this box has the band. I'll open this one first. There's an information packet with some instructions. And the USB-C charging cable with the wireless charger that connects to the watch. It doesn't come with the charging brick, so if you get one, make sure it has the USB-C port so this side can plug into here. If you don't want to buy a charging brick, a lot of the Apple laptops have a USB-C port, so you can also charge your watch from there by plugging this side into here. Another option is to get the MagSafe Duo charger so you can charge your Apple Watch and your iPhone at the same time. I got one to go with my watch, so I'll open it up. Looks like this, and you can close it so it's smaller for travel. And it connects here with the lightning cable. And then this side is USB-C. If I can get this to focus. Alright, this is not cooperating. And then this side is USB-C. Since this charges wirelessly, all I have to do is put my phone on here and my watch on here, and it starts charging. This also works with AirPods, so if you have AirPods with a wireless charging case, you can charge them on here too. Just this side though, I don't think it works on the watch side. This side might just be for the watch. Now let's look at the watch. Here's the front, and there's speakers on the left side. On the right side there's the power button, and that small dot is the microphone. And this is the crown that you can click in or turn and use to navigate around the watch. For some other details, it has a crystal display, so it's crack resistant, and it's also water resistant if you have the sport band, so you can swim with it on or wear it in the shower, and has a water resistance rating of 50 meters. And they say it has up to 18 hours of battery life. Now I'll turn it on by clicking this button here. Or not. Take two. Now I'll turn it on by clicking this button here. Okay, I think it's a click and hold. One more time, I'm gonna try one more time. I got it this time. I got it under control. This time I got it, I swear. Give me one more chance. I'm gonna connect it to the charger and that should turn it on. Woo! Got it. Took me long enough. So if that ever happens to you, just connect it to the charger. Now I'll set it up by following the instructions on the watch. This automatically came up, so I'll hit continue. Now I'll go through some of these setup screens. Now it's done setting up and it's connected to my iPhone. This is the default watch face, and to change it I can tap and hold in the middle. I'll click new. And I can choose from any of these. I'll just add this one for now. And I'll add one more. I'll get this one. And if I swipe, I can add the date and weather, so I'll add that. And now I have 3 to choose from. Now I can quickly switch between them. Now I'll go through some of the features. One feature I know I'll use a lot is the ECG app. To set that up, I'll go into the Health app on my iPhone and then click Heart. I'll scroll down and hit ECG and hit Setup. Reading it now. I had to sit down to get a better reading, but it says I'm in sinus rhythm. So with this app, I can see my heart rate, and it's also checking the rhythm, so if I switched into AFib, for example, it would tell me, which is pretty cool. I can check my blood oxygen level with the blood oxygen app, and my reading says 98%. The nurse in me is loving this. Then in the activity app, I can see my steps per day and calories burned. I'm really curious to see what the Spotify app looks like since I use that all the time, so I'll go to that app. Here it is. I can go to my library. Has all my playlists here. I can go into one, and it automatically starts playing. And if I swipe, then I can see more of the songs in the playlist. And I know I'll be texting and making phone calls from this, so I'll test that out. Just sent myself a text, and this is what it looks like. I can click on it and reply. It's a tiny keyboard, but it works. Say hi back. And it's sent. And if I got a phone call, I could answer and talk right into my watch. There it is. I can answer. I can also check emails with the Mail app. And this watch is the cellular version, so if I'm out on a walk or biking, I can just wear this and I don't need to bring my phone. It has maps on here so I can get directions or I can see where I am. And there's an emergency SOS feature on here, so if I click and hold down the power button, and if I swiped across there, then it would call local emergency services. Another feature that I know I'm going to use a lot is Apple Pay. So when I'm out shopping, I can just hold this up to the register and pay. So yeah, the Apple Watch has a lot of features. There's way more that I didn't even mention, but those are the ones that I'm probably going to use the most often, and I'm most excited to try out. And if you plan on getting this watch, here are some important things to know. If I'm ever having issues, like an app isn't responding, these are a few things that I always try first. First thing I'll do is I'll close out of all my apps. And to do that, I'll click the power button on the side once, and swipe to the left to clear them out. And if that doesn't work, then I'll turn the device off and then on again. And to do that, I'll hold the power button down and swipe to power it off. And the third thing I do is I force restart it. And to do that, I'll push the crown and the power button at the same time for at least 10 seconds. And I'll keep holding until I see the Apple logo. There it is. Can't promise that's going to fix the problem, but those are the 3 things I always try first. Now I'll open up the band. I got the Gold Milanese Loop, I think that's how you pronounce it, but it's so nice and so soft. And adjusts with this magnet here. And to put it on the watch, I'll make sure this side of the band is facing out, and then this part goes into the slot that's on the top of the watch. Slides in, and it clicks. And I'll do the same thing on the bottom. And to adjust it, I'll open this up and pull it to as tight as it needs to go. Here it is, the final product. And if I ever wanted to switch out my band or take it off, there's a small band release button here. So I would hold that button down and slide it out. And then do the same thing on the bottom. And that's it. Alright, that's the Apple Watch Series 7. I've been using it for a few weeks now, and I have to say, being able to go for runs without holding my phone is the best. If you're a runner, or a walker, in my case, highly recommend. One thing I noticed though is it felt like I was constantly typing in my passcode. So if there was a way to have Touch ID or Face ID on the watch, that would be huge. Overall, having the Apple Watch has been pretty awesome. And I have a feeling it's only gonna get better. Once more cars start using Apple Car Key, once more homes start using Home Key, this is gonna be your wallet. Like, this is gonna be all you need.
We're not there yet, but I think we're getting pretty close. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you have the Apple Watch, comment what your favorite feature is down below. I'd love to hear what you guys think. And hit that subscribe button so you don't miss my next video. You don't want to miss this. No. I do make pretty good videos, so. Alright. I've said enough. Bye!